Welcome to your Say Brush Show.
So we put the baking soda in the balloon.
Ooh, yucky.
Can you chop it up in there?
No, okay.
Chop it up.
Push it down.
Zali, with your pose, eh? That's actually fine. That's fine.
Can you help me hold this? Hold this.
Yeah.
Hold this.
Mommy, Sandra
Oh
called
wow.
herself.
Can you Zaddy hold the funnel?
Look at that.
You're missing
Now we put
one.
vinegar
Yes.
in our test tubes here.
A little bit of water.
I did it.
Okay, and we gotta do a little bit more.
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow. So do you know what's happening here? The baking soda is going into the vinegar and it's making the air pressure rise. And when the air pressure rises,
Zoe.
it's blowing up the
It
balloon.
will pop. Bubbling.
Yeah. I poke holes in this bottle, but no water's coming out. Now Zay, what I need you to do is to just turn the knob just a little bit. Other way. Oh!
Whoa!
Alright, Zay, you wanna try again?
Yes.
Oh, I know what we need. We need this clear one. This clear one. Okay, try it again.
When you turn it, then the water comes out. Whoa!
I'm doing mine.
Okay.
Get ahead and close it before all the water goes out.
I'm doing mine.
Okay.
I'm
I'm
doing
gonna close it so there's no water. Okay.
So now, Zay, so this is the bouncy egg experiment we have here.
Yeah. Ooh, bam. One time.
There we go. So is it yolk to come out? Yeah?
Yeah. Oh no.
Okay, so these are called the bouncy eggs. Can you guys pour the eggs into the bowl? Pour it into this bowl.
Whoa!
Delicate eggs, eh?
Wow! How do you make it so bouncy like that?
Look. Mommy.
It's a bouncy egg. I've never seen that before. You like that?
Bounce, bounce, bounce,
Bounce.
Let's see. How much can you squeeze it?
Squeeze it. Squishy?
Squeeze it.
bounce, bounce, bounce. Mommy, yeah.
Wow! It's like it's a
So can you show
secret.
your bouncy egg to the camera? So
Can you show yours?
drop it.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You wanna oh! Uh-oh.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Zaddy dropped hers a little too hard. That's okay, sweetie.
Mine. Oh, this. Oh, mine. Oh, mine. You hold it.
That's how they hold it. Try.
Shake. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me pour some of this in.
Then put it into your water.
Not yet. And then,
Shake.
I need you to put some food coloring in here.
You can do it right after.
Food.
Okay, thank you.
I'm doing. Ooh, look. See, I know what to do.
You guys watching?
Ooh.
Look, Mommy.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Yeah, is the food coloring no going down?
It is coming down now.
I do see blue now.
It looks like a storm.